In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Blox Fruits with no mouse. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and play Blox Fruits without using a mouse. Now, the important thing is that for you to do this, you will essentially only be using a controller. So as you can see, you are able to navigate through the menu on the Roblox launcher using only your controller. It might be difficult to go over here and type if you don't have a keyboard, so the bare minimum is that you are able to go ahead and join the Blox Fruits experience. Once you get past this, you will be able to go ahead and join the experience using only your controller, so you don't even need a mouse to join. So you can go ahead and join the experience using only your controller. So navigate through all of the menus using the joystick and the D-pad, and once you get inside, you will be able to play without using your mouse. So the first thing is going to be to pick a side. You can press select, and this will allow you to navigate through all of the buttons available on the screen. So you can go ahead and choose whichever side you prefer. And once you join, you are basically good to go. You will be able to move with the left joystick. You can run, you can dash, as you can see here. You can jump with the A button, and you can press all of the other buttons for specific actions. Now, while it is possible for you to play using only your controller, you might encounter some problems. But for the most part, it is going to be entirely playable, so I was able to get inside of Blox Fruits and play with only a keyboard. I didn't need to touch my mouse at all. You might be able to basically do everything, however, some actions might be difficult to do, so keep all of that in mind. Once you get inside, you can interact with other players, use all of the items, you can use the select button to navigate through all of the menus. So as you can see, I'm able to highlight specific options here, and you will be able to do basically everything. If you encounter problems while trying to do this, make sure that your controller is properly connected and set up, and besides using a controller, you won't be able to play with only your keyboard. So you either need to use a mouse or a controller, one of the two. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Blox Fruits with no mouse. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.